Hey, what's up guys? Derek here, back again with another video. Hope you all having a stellar day. So right now it's Hurricane Irma. There's a tornado over Oviedo, so I'm pretty much screwed. But you know what? I'm out here making gains. I'm just living, alright? And you should too. Let's Alright guys, so basically we just set up the tube so that the pool would drain out into the road, so that it would go into those little drainage things. And then where my car is in the driveway, it's pretty much completely flooded, and it's like that much, about a couple inches up on the tire, so it's really flooded. And then over there, where on this corner of my house, there's area of like dirt, so we had to put rocks around it because all the water's draining straight down our backyard into our neighbor's house. So we had to put rocks there so that it's not eroding all the dirt away. But pretty much our neighbors that live behind us are pretty much screwed because all the water that's coming from our house is going straight into their house. I mean, not like the pool water. The pool water is going into the street in the middle, so that it's not like going into anyone's houses. But yeah, the rain is all going there.
What are you doing?
I'm vlogging, Dad. Alright, so yeah, I went swimming a little, and now we're gonna wait for the pool to drain a little more, and then we're gonna take the tube out. Alright, let's get it. It's straight pouring. Jeez. Weather reporter. We are in the heart of Hurricane Irma, and you know it's getting windy. As you can see from over here, trees are falling down. All right, trees are falling down. There was a tornado all the way over there on Tuscaloosa Road. It almost took the house off. You can see there's some shingles missing. Don't look up there. There's no shingles missing. And then that bush got pushed over. Oh, and actually pushed it over. As you can see, the winds are pretty crazy out here. This bush was once upright, now it is crooked.
This is not a test. This is your emergency broadcast system announcing the commencement of the annual purge sanctioned by the U.S. government. Weapons of Class 4 and lower have been authorized for use during the purge. All other weapons are restricted. Government officials of ranking 10 have been granted immunity from the purge and shall not be harmed. Commencing at the siren, any and all crime, including murder, will be legal for 12 continuous hours. Police, fire, and emergency medical services will be unavailable until tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. when the purge concludes. Blessed be our new founding fathers and America, a nation reborn. May God be with you all.
Alright guys, welcome back to the purge. I just got some word in that there's a killing over on the other side of the road, but here at the Lucas house, we come prepared. We boarded up the windows, nothing's getting in through there, alright? We live in a rich neighborhood, so it's pretty quiet out right now. Most people aren't going to be doing the purge because they value their life over others, alright? So they're not going to be killing anyone. They're going to be protecting their own selves. That window over there, I realize it's not boarded up, but that's Cameron's room. Nobody really cares about Cameron, alright? So, yeah, let's get on. Back to survival tips for Hurricane Irma. So, pretty much, here's the main tip for fighting Hurricane Irma. In order to withstand Hurricane Irma and push it back, you need to fight it. Hand-on-hand combat, alright? You throw the mic, and you just fight. Alright guys, so it's a little over midnight. It's 9:11 and our power's out. So basically I'm just using this flashlight for light because it's pretty good. And all I hear is the stupid generator outside my window and the big gushes of wind and water. So
I doubt I'm gonna really be able to sleep tonight. Because all I hear is the creaking from the house. It's not good. Not good. Not prime sleeping conditions, if I do say so myself. It is currently 4:30 in the morning. I just had to go out and refill the generator with gas, so I haven't really been able to sleep. The generator turned off because it ran out of gas, so that's why we had to fill it back up. The only thing that matters is I got my charged phone and my flashlight. This flashlight will keep me safe.
Alright guys, so it's the next morning. I just went outside. That bush still leaning over. It's a lot windy. Oh my god! The fence blew over! What? Oh my god! Oh my god. No way. No, 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 no. Why'd the fence blow over? The fence actually just broke. That was a clean cut though. Check that out. What? Yeah, the fence just broke down. Alright, I'm just going for like a little morning walk just to see all the casualties of Hurricane Irma. It's crazy windy out. Ow! I just got bit or something. Something hit me in the back. I'm about to show you probably the dumbest way that you can defend your house. All right, just that tree got straight scrapped. This plastic fence completely blew over. It fell apart. All I'm really seeing from Hurricane Irma is a bunch of tree branches. Not too much damage. I know I've seen a few fences have fallen over, including my house, but not too much. Like I said, there was a tornado on Tuscaloosa, and there are shingles flying everywhere. Alright, shingles are everywhere. Look at this. Another shingle. Another shingle. Now that's how you get your wood done. That's how you get it cut professionally. There's not too much damage and everyone's out walking their dogs. That tree straight fell into the tennis court. Oh my. I'm just riding down the trail and I found another tree in the road, tree in the way. Look at this thing. Gosh darn it. So do I go down there and potentially get soaked? Or do I try to go around this? I think I'm gonna go down there. Alright. It's gotta go super slow. What? I straight search. Oh my god. It's so... Try to go straight. Oh no, it's wet. It's wet right here. Alright, so... Oh my god. This area was pretty open last time I came here, so it's pretty easy to navigate. All the trees up there didn't drop stuff down here,
So it's not too bad. Pretty open. You know what, Toto? I like turtles.
I like turtles. All right, you're great.
I need to go up there to the path. Guess I'm gonna just go straight through it, you heard? You heard it first here, baby. Imagine during the hurricane, a freaking snake, and it just gets like whipped up into the air from the winds. That'd be crazy. Oh my God! Bro, this was a road! This is straight a river now! Oh my God, bro! Holy crap! This straight looks like Econ. This was actually a road, like on my life. And it's straight a river. Look at that. It's actually a river. That is ridiculous. I could straight take a jet ski in there. That's wild. You can see the fence post right there. That's crazy. This was actually a road. Like, look over here. You can see the wall from a neighborhood and a fire hydrant. And then over here you can see a mailbox. This was a road, and now it's completely covered in water in the freaking river. That is crazy. Hurricane Irma. Oh my. Wow. Wow. I think of the Ivy League, the highest. Hello, puppy. Of the Ivy League, the highest.
Alright guys, welcome back to Survival Tips for Hurricane Irma. Here's one main tip that you need when during...
Wait.
What?